Hello guys, once again welcome back to your Big Guide channel. In this video we will learn the ways to share the data. Example, if you need to share a part of data only, how you can share it. So you have a sheet and you're working in this sheet. In this sheet you have this data, but you want to share only this part of the data. Or let me make it a little bit difficult. You want to share the data. Let's put filter, Control Shift L, and you just want to hide someone's data here. For example, I say Robert, Nancy. I don't want to show their data. So this is the data right now I have. So there is a simple way to share is to copy. You can copy this data directly and paste it anywhere, means on WhatsApp or anywhere wherever you want to share. So you can share this data like this. There is another way to do that is simply click print screen from your keyboard. When you click print screen, you can take a snapshot and you can share that particular area wherever you want to take. So it's like this print screen is enabled. When you click on print screen, you can select the data. Example, this is the only data you want to share. So when you click here, automatically it will be saved like this and you can share this data. Another way is to search and click on Snip tools. When you click on Snip tools, there will be the same data will open. Snip, we need to go up here. Here is your snip tool and you can simply click on new and snip the data like this, and you can simply share it. So that's it about this video. This is how you can share a part of any of your data whichever you wish to share. Thank you.